Hey VAT, welcome back. We're going to continue making vector shapes. The last episode we talked about turning a circle into multiple types of shapes by simply moving anchor points with the direct selection tool. Today we're going to continue to work within this option. This is the shape builder tools. We've talked about the rectangle tool, the rounded rectangle tool, and the ellipse tool. Now we're going to use the polygon tool to make some polygons. If you click and drag with the polygon tool, it will start off by making a hexagon, but you can hit down on the keyboard to reduce the amount of sides to get a pentagon, a square, and then ultimately a triangle. Also, you can hold shift, and shift will make your triangle or your polygon straight. So as you make that shape, it'll be perfectly straight. There's also the opportunity for you to not only reduce the amount of sides, but the polygon tool, you can hit up and you can increase the amount of sides to get, octagons and things of that nature. So shift keeps things straight again. Alright, so that's the polygon tool. Try to make a couple different polygons. We're going to use now the star tool. So right underneath the polygon tool in the shape building tools, we have a star tool, and the star tool makes stars. It starts off by default making a star that is 5 points. Again, if you hold shift, it'll keep your star straight. Hitting up on the keyboard or down on the keyboard will reduce or increase the amount of points on your star. So if you increase them, you can get a sun. If you decrease them, you can get, a 6-pointed star, a 5-pointed star, a 3, and then eventually it comes down to, again, a triangle, a 3-pointed star. Shift keeps things straight. Lastly, with the star tool, there are 2 buttons that can help you to adjust your star to the way you want it to be. So Control, holding down Control keeps the base of the star perfectly still, while it allows you to stretch and pull the points of the star out to be longer. And then ultimately, Alt helps to reduce the size of the points as well. So there's a couple different buttons for you to experiment with. So make multiple types of polygons and multiple types of stars for this My First Vectors. In the next video, we'll talk a little bit about a shape builder tool, which will help us to make several interesting shapes. Thanks for watching. See you in class.
Bye-bye.